Hi guys, my name's Jerry from Nebraska. I'm filming this video for PIB'S Best Subscriber Showcase. This is my 67 C10. I bought it about 2 years ago. It had been sitting in a field for about 20 years, so it's pretty rough shape. Not quite done with the interior yet. I need carpet and door panels and a dash pad. I'm going to leave everything else like it is. We did a lot of rust work on the body and tried to match the patina. It's had some work in the floors. Put a new wood floor in the bed and burnt this bow tie into there before we stained it. Small back window truck. I found these slotted mags on Facebook Marketplace. Under the hood is a 305 with a 350 turbo transmission. Everything's been cleaned up and painted. Underneath, the frame's been painted and all the brakes and suspension and everything are new. Truck runs good. So yeah, that's my truck. That's how I like it, and that's how it's going to stay. Thanks guys for everything you do. We really enjoy your channel. Bye.